Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I upload a variety of content, so hopefully some of this content will spark your interest and you will want to subscribe to my channel today. This year for Christmas, my daughter and I decided to do a gingerbread peppermint Christmas tree. And in this video, I will share with you a few DIYs that I came up with to decorate this tree. And as I went into the stores, I wanted to see what they had and what would be feasible for me to recreate as DIYs. Now in Hobby Lobby, they do have these styrofoam lollipops. So I will share with you one of my DIYs of how I recreated this styrofoam lollipop, as well as how I made some of these gingerbread cookies. So come on in and let me share with you the ideas and how I did them. So this first DIY is the Hobby Lobby Peppermint Lollipop. And everyone who shops at Hobby Lobby, you know that their Christmas decorations is 50% off. So this size of styrofoam would have been $3.50 for one. But I went into the Dollar Tree and I find these styrofoam in the floral section. And they weren't as thick, so two came in one pack, and I just hot glued them together here. So that is what I'm doing for the first part of this DIY, and then I'm using red and white yarn. Now the Hobby Lobby styrofoam lollipop, they use raffia that was not, it was still twined together, twisted raffia, but I'm going to use yarn because that's what I have and I didn't want to buy any raffia. So the yarn works perfectly for this project. But if you want to buy yarn, if you're going to attempt to do this, if you want to buy the raffia, if you're going to attempt to do this, then go ahead and do that. But I wanted to use what I had to make the project less expensive. And you will see here, as I'm using this, I'm using hot glue as well as regular Dollar Tree glue. And in the beginning, the hot glue was a little bit too hot and it was melting my styrofoam. So I had to switch to a low temp glue stick. And then I didn't use the glue and I just went straight to hot glue because hot glue will work better for this project. Now guys, once I finish wrapping the entire styrofoam front and back and the sides, I'm going to apply some glue, and this is the Dollar Tree glue, in between the lines of the yarn so that I could add in the white glitter to make it look like crystals, sugar crystals. And that is what I'm doing here, and I am using my little glue tips for my finger to apply it, to spread it around in between that yarn. And then next, guys, I'm just going to add in a wooden dowel. And you could paint this if you want. I didn't want to. I just left it the color it is. And I got these from Walmart. And I think the Dollar Tree have them. But for this size, they're a little thicker and a little bit longer than the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to hot glue it in there for the stick. And as you will see as this video go, I'm going to add in a red piece of ribbon and just tie it on there, and that will complete this DIY. And I made the 4 that I have here for $5 because I bought the styrofoam, for the styrofoams from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. I've already had the ribbon out of my stash, and the wooden dowels, you can find them either at Walmart or the Dollar Tree. So for one that you would get out of Hobby Lobby, I got 4. So this is why I did the DIY, and I thought it came out really well. The next one is the plastic bags Peppermint Lollipop. That is really quick, easy, and simple. These bags came from the Dollar Tree, and I bought them last year, and I have about 6 or 7 left from last year. They're treat bags, and I believe they do have them in the Dollar Tree again this year where the treat bags are. And all I'm going to do is adding tissue paper to fill them up. And I'm going to add a wooden dowel, use the same wooden dowel from the last DIY. And I'm going to use a twisty tie to seal it. And that is it, guys, for this DIY. For the last project, I am making cookie ornaments using these wooden items from the Dollar Tree wooden section. I have 8 small snowflakes and 2 large ones, this wooden nativity as well as the large gingerbread house. And I'm using this satin nutmeg color spray paint from Walmart, as well as the white glitter for sprinkles on the cookie. Now, guys, as I spray painted them, this is the color that came out, and I wanted them to be a little lighter, but it's okay. I'm just gonna go with this because I've already bought the spray paint and I didn't want to buy any more, so I think it's okay. And I'm first going to start with using my white paint and a really small brush, and I'm going to line the snowflakes in just a random design and to create the frosting for these cookies. Next, guys, I'm going to use some spray adhesive. You could also use brush on glue, but I'm using the spray adhesive, and I'm going to spray them down to apply the glitter to make them look like the sugar crystals. And I got my spray adhesive bond from Walmart, but you can get it from any craft store. Now for the house, I'm just going to paint it and how I would like it, and putting color where I wanted it at. And I used the white paint for, of course, for the snow. And then as you can see here, I finished it, and I wanted to show you what I'm going to do to add a little more depth for the snow. So I'm going to use this Elmo school glue, and I'm going to apply it on the areas of the roof and where I have the white paint for the white snow. And then I'm going to get the fake snow that's at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and then I'm just going to add it on there and let it dry. Now here's the final look of the cookies that I made, and I didn't show you guys on camera the last step, but after I added the glitter for the sprinkles, I watered down Mod Podge and apply it on top to seal the sprinkles and the glitter on there so they will not come off. Well guys, that is it for this video, and hopefully you enjoy watching as I share with you the DIYs that I did for my Christmas tree this year. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so right now. I do upload a variety of content, and hopefully some of it will spark your interest. Go ahead, like this video, share it. When you share my videos, it helps grow my channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful and blessed day, and Merry Christmas. And I hope you guys are getting your homes ready and prepped for the holiday season. Thanks for watching. Until my next video, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.